Go to the Zoom app, new meeting, start a meeting, wait for connecting. Stop video if you want. Join video with Wi-Fi or cellular data. No, you will share the link. This is the link. The link is been copied. Now go to the WhatsApp and share the link with the person you want to join the Zoom. The link is copied and shared. The other person will click on the link and will join the meeting. Now back to the Zoom. Now you can share the your document on your screen. This is the screen sharing. Start now. Now what you want to share? Yes, if you want to study on this topic, so both the student and teacher will see this screen and they can discuss on this topic. Hope you understand. Thank you.